Here is a list of 15 eye-catching changes that NASA has captured and shared recently. NASA's website displays some Earth from above shots that illustrate how humans have impacted the planet over the years. These photos are different in terms of when they were taken, with some ranging from 5 to 100 years old. 1. Lake Oroville, California. These photos date from July 2010 and August 2016. Lake Oroville was hit hard by the lack of water, while California was suffering from a severe drought. It's hard to believe we're looking at the same place. 2. Aral Sea, Central Asia. These two photos date from August 2000 and August 2014. The disappearance of seas, rivers, and lakes is one of the brightest examples of environmental disasters caused by human beings. For example, the Aral Sea in Kazakhstan almost disappeared by 2014 due to the extensive irrigation of cotton fields. 3. Pedersen Glacier, Alaska. These photos date from summer 1917 and summer 2005. Pedersen Glacier is an outlet glacier located in Kenya Fords National Park near Seward. The photo taken in 1917 shows that it was an ordinary massive glacier once, but it has dramatically changed due to the changing climate over 88 years. No icebergs are visible anymore. 4. Carroll Glacier, Alaska. The photo date from August 1906 and September 2003. On the first photo, the long glacier extends up to 15 miles from the border of Alaska with Canada to Queens Inlet in the Pacific Ocean. The photo taken at the same place almost 100 years later shows that the Carroll Glacier still exists, but it has serious problems. The ice cap is melted and has been covered with natural debris. 5. Powell Lake, Arizona and Utah. March 1999 and May 2014. Powell Lake is an artificial reservoir located on the Colorado River. It's easy to notice that its water level has reduced over 15 years. At the beginning of 1999, the water level was high and the water was clear. Later, the region suffered through a long-term drought, and the lake almost disappeared. Scientists believe that global warming will make droughts even more severe in the future. 6. Bear Glacier, Alaska. The photos date from July 1909 and August 2005. As you can see, it's melting very fast. The rise temperature from 1950 to 1990 caused the giant Bear Glacier to retreat by 1 mile from 2000 to 2005. It moved another 2 miles. By the way, in 2014, there was a massive flood that affected the local population. 7. Forests in Rondônia, Brazil. These two photos date from June 1975 and August 2009. Since the 1960s, Amazon rainforests have been actively cut down. According to current estimates, they now have about 80% left. The state of Rondônia in Brazil lost most of its forests. 8. McCarty Glacier, Alaska. Look at these two photos from July 1909 and August 2004. The difference between them is evident. 9 miles of the glacier melted away. According to researchers, the glacier melts about 1 mile per year on average. However, this indicator has increased over the last decade. 9. The Dashst River, Pakistan. The photos date from August 1999 and June 2011. This place has changed in a better way. The Barani Dam supplies clean drinking water and power to the surrounding area. Dam also helps support local agriculture. 10. Matterhorn Mountain in the Alps. This place is located on the border between Switzerland and Italy. The photo date from August 1960 and August 2005. As you can see, there was almost no snow on the mountain in the second photo. I guess no comment. 11. Toboggan Glacier, Alaska. The photos date from June 1909 and September 2000. The glacier, named after one of the slopes, covered a large territory once. Unfortunately, like many other glaciers on our planet, this one keeps melting fast. Comparing the two photos, you can see that there is less snow in 2000, much less. 12. Great Man-Made River, Libya. April 1987 and April 2010. This is the greatest engineering project in the world. A network of pipes, aqueducts, and wells, more than 310 miles deep. The water system provides the desert area with water. At least it has a positive impact. 13. Qori Kallis Glacier. Peru, July 1978 and July 2011. It's a tropical glacier located in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Frankly speaking, it's almost impossible to recognize this place nowadays. The difference is truly shocking. 14. Mar Chiquita Lake, Argentina. The photos date from July 1998 and September 2011. Mar Chiquita Lake is the biggest salt lake in South America. As you see, it has become smaller in recent years, but the area still looks lush. 15. Muir Glacier, Alaska. Here's one more consequence of global warming. These photos date from August 1941 and August 2004. Nowadays, there is almost no snow. The place is covered by trees and grass. So what do you think? Have these photos impressed you? And give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're visiting our channel for the first time.